When a staff member leaves your employment or changes roles, you can quickly remove or reassign them on multiple client profiles using the staff maintenance utility. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log into your PetSitter Plus dashboard. Firstly, navigate to the Admin tab. Select Staff and click the name of the staff member or sitter you want to carry out staff maintenance for. Click the Staff Maintenance page. When a staff member changes roles, reduces their availability, or leaves your business, you may need to update their assignments across multiple client profiles. This helpful utility allows you to manage these staff changes quickly and efficiently. The staff assignments that can be changed in bulk are primary sitter, sitter teams, repeat services, and assigned keys. Let's start with reassigning a staff member's primary sitter role. On this tab, you'll see a list of all clients where this staff member is currently set as the primary sitter. First, decide what you'd like to do with the current staff member's assignment as primary sitter. If you'd like to remove them and leave the task unassigned, simply select No One from the drop-down list. Alternatively, you can choose another member of your team from the list to take over the role. Top tip: you'll find info icons throughout your system. These offer extra help text beside key features and fields. Just click the icon for a quick explanation of what each setting does. You can then either select all clients or choose individual client profiles depending on your needs. Then simply click Replace. The staff member will then be removed as the primary sitter, and the role will either be reassigned to your chosen team member or left unassigned across all the selected client profiles. You can now repeat this process for the remaining staff members' assignments for sitter teams, repeat services, and assigned keys. Handy hint: if you haven't yet set up your primary sitter, sitter teams, repeat services, or assigned any keys, then these reassignment options won't be available. Top tip: once you've completed these updates, if the staff member is leaving your company or no longer taking assignments, you can go on to reassign any current or future scheduled services they may have to another team member and safely mark the staff member as inactive. And that's it. You've successfully used the staff maintenance utility in PetSitter Plus to help you manage staffing changes more efficiently by allowing you to update multiple client records at once and reducing admin time. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone. There you can find additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or you can contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with our latest tutorials, practical guides, and top tips designed to help you streamline and grow your pet care business.